Welcome to Somfy's exterior screen instructional video, where you will learn the basic steps for programming the limits of an RTS motorized exterior screen. It's important to power only one motor at a time while programming. Both the upper and lower limits will need to be set. Let's start with the upper limit. Start programming by pressing both up and down at the same time until the screen jogs. A jog is a brief up and down movement of your motorized product. Check the direction of operation by pressing down to confirm it moves the screen down. If you need to change the direction, press and hold My until the screen jogs and check the direction again. Now let's set the limits. Press and hold up to move the screen to the desired upper limit. Release when the desired limit is reached. Press and hold My and down until the screen begins to move down. Then release. Allow the screen to travel to the desired lower limit. Press My to stop it. You can make adjustments if necessary. Press and hold My and up until the screen begins to move up. Release both buttons and press My to stop the screen. To confirm the limits you have set, press and hold My until the screen jogs. Press and hold the Program button on the back of the remote until the screen jogs. Your limits are now set. Now is an ideal time to install and add any additional accessories, such as sun or wind sensors, wall switches, and timers. Enjoy your Somfy motorized screen.